How to fix second monitor flickering on and off. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix second monitor flickering issues on your laptop or desktop from driver fixes and refresh rate tweaks to cable checks and hardware diagnostics. Get your dual monitor setup running flawlessly. So let's get started. So the first thing that you gotta do is you can replace your cable with another cable. So sometimes the issue is hardware related, that your cable is not working properly. So you can simply replace your cable and check if the issue is resolved. However, if the issue is still there, you can simply head over to the quick search and type in device manager, and you'll be able to see an interface like this. So what you gotta do is head over to display adapters over here, and then you'll be able to see your adapters over here. I have Intel R UHD graphics. If you're having NVIDIA, you'll be able to see that over here. So whichever graphics card you have, you can simply right click on it, and once you do so, you'll be able to see option update driver. Click on it, and then you'll be able to see two options: search automatically for drivers and browse my computer for drivers. So if you want the computer to search automatically, simply double click on it, and then it's going to search for it. Now it says the best drivers for your device are already installed. If it is not installed, then it will say that the driver has been updated or installed. And then check if it solves your issues. If it doesn't, then you can simply head over to Google and type in your graphic. For example, I'm going to type in Intel graphic card download. And if you have NVIDIA, you can simply do that because that is the most universal one right now. So I'm going to search for it, and then you can click on download Intel drivers and software. And if you have NVIDIA, simply click on that and you'll be able to see the option of download. So click on get started and you can download the application of it. Like you can say, here is download. Simply download it and then you can update the driver card from there. Similarly, if you're having NVIDIA, you can simply head over, download the application, and there you'll be able to see all of the latest updates. So you can simply update your hardware or update your drivers. So that is basically how you'll fix your problems. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.